What's up? This is my Cryptogram Puzzles Generator review. I'm going to show you why this puzzle maker is an amazing platform puzzle type and why you should get this along with my masterclass and done for you templates. So make sure you watch this video to the very end. If you have any questions, drop them down below. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more great content like this. Let's begin. Okay, before I begin my Cryptogram Puzzles Generator review, make sure you scroll down to get my custom masterclass bonus and templates. So you want to get on this page, just click the link down below, scroll towards the bottom, and you're going to see my bonuses for this piece of software. The first one is the most important one, is my step-by-step tutorial for this software. It's my masterclass for the Cryptogram Puzzles market. Really important. You want to get this because without it, you're gonna have a great piece of software, but you're not gonna know exactly what to do. I highly recommend you get it through my page down below. Not only that, you're gonna get my free and easy AI integration method, how you can harness the power of free AI to use it as a content for your puzzle books. Really important. Also done for you niche keywords. This is how people find you online, really important. How people find you on Amazon, to be specific, okay? And Amazon is really important because it's a buyer search engine. I'm also gonna review your book. That's right, I'm gonna sit and review your book once it's live on Amazon KDP. I'm gonna give you tips and I'm gonna give you hints on what you need to do to improve your rankings, to improve your listings so that you can convert more of Amazon's traffic into customers. I'm also going to give you done for you Cryptogram puzzle title page, copyright page, how-to page, and table of contents. Again, for your book, you also get a step-by-step checklist to publish your book in the Cryptogram puzzles market. And the most important thing, in my opinion, a lot of people don't understand this, but I think it's a crucial thing here, is done for you book covers, okay? You need your book cover to attract the traffic on Amazon and to turn that traffic on Amazon into customers, to convert them into customers. The first step is having them click on your listing. That's where book covers come in. Make sure you get this before you even dive into the software itself. Make sure you get my masterclass bonus. Okay, using the Cryptogram Puzzles Generator is very easy, very simple. Let me show you how it's done. When you get in here, first thing you want to do, in my opinion, is go to the settings section. So scroll down to the settings section, and you want to make sure it's 8.5 by 11. That's the US standard size, very common for puzzle books, activity books, coloring books, like these, right? Puzzle books, right? You also want to make sure it's numbered, okay? It starts off with no numbering. I highly recommend you number it. I like to go with just a number, with just a numerical value. Click center and click update. You'll see a little number 1 appear here in the center. Very good. Okay, now the upload section, this is where you can add your own images so that you can later design or add different characters to your puzzle, to your Cryptogram puzzle. Really important. And here we have grid icons. If you have icons or if you got one of the upgrades, you can definitely use the upgrades that are here, or I should say the icons that are here. I'll discuss more of the upgrades later on in this review video. Okay, now the most important part is the templates themselves. We have 3 kinds here. I'm gonna go with this one to show you how it works. They all work pretty much the same way. So here we have this one with a key at the top. The key is where they fill in the blanks. Now, if you don't know what a cryptogram is, a cryptogram puzzle is, very simply, you have a hidden message that your end user must solve by breaking the code. Okay, really important. Let me show you how it's done. So I'm gonna actually increase the size. I can zoom in, zoom out with this. I'm gonna zoom to fill the actual site here, or the actual tab here. Okay, so I'm gonna first click on this rectangle right here. Click on this. I'm gonna right click it because I want to get rid of that number 1 here. I'm gonna go to open settings. I'm gonna go down here to show index. I'm gonna remove show index. Click update. Okay, now here we go. Actually, let me get out of here real quick. 50%. Let me go to 25%. Okay, good. I want to center it, because what I'm doing here is I'm creating the template, really important for our future pages. Okay, so once I do that, I'm going to remove author. I don't need that at all. I'm going to click on this once again, go to this edit button, really important. And here we have this is where all the magic happens. Okay, now depending on the upgrades, if you have the basic version, you have the English alphabet, but you can also use all these different types of characters and different types of images, so that you can create all kinds of codes. Okay, now it's all the same. You have to find the patterns. So I should say the customer, your Amazon KDP customer has to find the patterns to decipher the code. Okay, but now we're going to keep it simple with English alphabet. Okay, and we got to use all capital sentences here. So I'm going to make this very simple. Hungry people. Oh, here we go. Hungry people eat pizza. I already did this one. Let's say we're doing a food type of cryptogram where people have to solve the different types of foods and whatnot within the cryptogram. Here we have hungry people eat pizza. Click save. Now we have our puzzle. Very simple, very easy, right? So here we have B, right? That would be Z or Z, right? Pizza, ZZ. So B would be Z. Where we have Z here, so they would write Z here, because that's what that means, right? And we're gonna give them a hint, of course. We're gonna get in here and put in popular food from Italy. Okay, popular food from Italy. So that gives them a little hint so that they can solve one of the brackets, and then once they solve that bracket, they can hopefully break the rest of the code. Okay, now we have our template. We're going to clone this page by clicking this little clone icon here, like that. Boom, there we go. I'm going to get back in here, and let me refresh that. Okay, I'm going to get back in here, and I'm going to create another food type of cryptogram. So you want to click on this square here, not square, rectangle, excuse me. Click on this edit button, and let's say flan in Mexico, they eat flan. Okay, again, I'm doing this off the cuff, so forgive me if I'm getting the food wrong. Flan is a popular pudding. In Mexico, they popular Latin American sweet or dessert. Okay, very good. So now they have this puzzle, and we can continue doing this by just clicking the clone button. Okay, let's do one more. I'm going to click on this, the rectangle again, get back up in here. Remember, we have to make everything capital. Okay, roast turkey on Thanksgiving. Click save. Let's center that like that. We give thanks when we eat this bird. Okay, like that. So you might be asking yourself, how do we create the solutions page after that? Very simple. Let me zoom out from here. Let's go to 10%. Perfect. And show solutions. Generate solutions. It's going to generate solutions. Okay. And it says go back. And you see at the bottom here, we have the solutions page. Very cool. Okay. So you can create a multitude of these cryptogram type of pages. And once you're done, I recommend around 48 or so, 48 to 50, maybe 60. You click download.
and you have your PDF ready to go, okay? Now, one more thing, I'll also recommend that you use images. Like you can upload the images here and decorate each page, perhaps giving another hint, another clue to what your puzzle is all about. So that is how you use the Cryptogram Puzzles Generator. Very simple and very easy to use. Now let's go into the different types of upgrades that you can get here. Upgrade number 1 is at $67. Enjoy unlimited monthly downloads, PowerPoint source files, and a myriad of color options for text blocks. Easily upload your images and provide extended clues for enhanced solving. Access advanced design features, bulk loaning, one-click book creation from a CSV file, and efficient bulk management options, delete and shuffle. Okay, that's upgrade number 1. Number 2, optimize your Cryptogram puzzle books for hardcore puzzles with dynamic flow layout, accommodating multiple puzzles per page, including hints, clues, and answers at the book's end. Elevate your puzzles with unique glyphs, symbols, and icons. Okay, this is the one I really recommend here. Again, you don't need it. You can just do the English alphabet one, and you have a lot of happy customers that way. However, if you have different pages with different types of codes to break, be it hieroglyphs, be it mahjong pieces, be it dingbats, be it different types of characters, that again would bring more value to your product. And upgrade number 3 at $67 is just 500 illustrations, done for you illustrations that you can use in your books. I recommend upgrade number 1 and upgrade number 2. Again, not necessary. However, they will help to give you a more robust piece of software to help you create those books to sell on Amazon KDP.
There you have it. That's my Cryptogram Puzzles Generator review. Again, if you have any questions, make sure you let me know down below. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. See you next time.